The V-22 Osprey is a cutting-edge, versatile military aircraft that combines the best features of both helicopters and airplanes. Thanks to its tilt-rotor technology, the Osprey can take off and land vertically like a helicopter and then shift to high-speed flight like an airplane. Built by Bell and Boeing, the V-22 offers the speed, range, and altitude of a turboprop, along with the flexibility and agility of a helicopter. It's used by the U.S. Marines, Air Force, and Navy, capable of transporting troops and equipment or carrying out rescue missions in places where traditional aircraft can't reach. With its futuristic design and incredible capabilities, the V-22 Osprey isn't just another aircraft. It's a game changer in military aviation.
Meet the Arcus Fortress Mk2, a beast built to dominate any battlefield. This isn't just a transport truck. It's a moving fortress designed to carry 11 fully equipped soldiers through the harshest terrains. At its heart is a 340 horsepower engine paired with a 6-speed gearbox, giving it the muscle to power through deserts, muddy trails, or rocky hills without slowing down. Add independent suspension and a smart tire inflation system, and you've got a vehicle that adjusts on the go, keeping soldiers moving when it matters most. Speed is another weapon in its arsenal. Despite its massive build, the Fortress Mk2 can push up to 120 km per hour, turning quick response missions into reality. And it's not just about toughness. Inside, there's air conditioning, offering troops a rare chance to rest and recharge in full gear before heading into action. Even 1-meter-deep water crossings are no match for its design. The Fortress Mk2 isn't simply a ride, it's a shield, a lifeline, and a game-changer in modern military mobility. Because when the mission gets brutal, only a true fortress can carry you through. Imagine a vehicle that drives itself across brutal off-road terrain, faster, smarter, and sharper than a human driver. That's the vision behind DARPA's Racer Fleet, a groundbreaking program pushing the limits of autonomous technology. These aren't just self-driving cars for city streets. Each machine is built to tackle rocks, sand, and rugged landscapes as if a seasoned driver were at the wheel. The secret? A powerful blend of sensors, lidars, radars, and high-tech cameras that give the vehicles a full 360-degree view of their surroundings. The results so far are staggering. Test fleets have already logged more than 500 kilometers and gathered over 100 terabytes of real-world data. Every run makes them smarter, quicker, and more adaptable. The ultimate goal? Vehicles that can navigate wild terrain without a single human command, and maybe even outperform us in ways we never imagined. DARPA isn't just testing machines, they're rewriting the future of military mobility. If these racers succeed, the battlefield of tomorrow could be driven not by soldiers, but by intelligence on wheels. The question is, are we ready for machines that might outdrive us? FFG ACSV G5, the beast that redefines mobility. Imagine a machine built to laugh at snow, swamp, and sand. That's exactly what the FFG ACSV G5 delivers. Born from German engineering, this armored powerhouse combines raw strength with unstoppable mobility. Its 625 horsepower engine and heavy-duty tracks mean deep snow doesn't stand a chance. In fact, it charges through swampy terrain and desert sand with the same ease, even crossing water up to 1.2 meters deep. But here's the real game changer: payload. The ACSV G5 carries a massive 8 tons, an unmatched figure in its class. That means more equipment, more support, and more flexibility than almost anything else on the battlefield. Test footage from Scandinavia proves it's not just theory. This vehicle dominates where others get stuck. Whether it's extreme cold, shifting sands, or unforgiving wetlands, the G5 makes the impossible routine. In short, this isn't just another armored vehicle. It's a mobile fortress built to conquer nature itself. When strength meets versatility, you get the ACSV G5. And nothing stands in its way. Faring Pioneer X. Imagine an off-road beast that can cross deserts, survive the Arctic, and even dive underwater. Meet the Faring Pioneer X, a machine that pushes the limits of adventure. Built by British engineers, this hybrid off-roader is powered by a 60 kWh onboard unit available in both multi-fuel and hydrogen options. That means freedom on the road with a jaw-dropping range of up to 7,000 kilometers. You could practically drive across continents without stopping to refuel. Its design is just as impressive as its power. The Pioneer X uses an ultra-light carbon chassis, making it tough yet nimble in extreme conditions. Add in a fully adjustable independent suspension, advanced spring setup, and an onboard tire inflation system, and you've got a vehicle that adapts to any terrain with ease. But here's the wildest feature: it's built to operate fully submerged underwater. That's not just off-roading, that's redefining what an off-road vehicle can do. The faring Pioneer X isn't just transport. It's a vision of the future, proving how engineering can expand the boundaries of exploration. Streit Marine Triton G810, power and reliability at sea. The Streit Marine Triton G810 is a strong and fast patrol boat designed for tough missions on the water. Built with durable materials and modern technology, it offers excellent speed, smooth handling, and steady performance in different sea conditions. Its flexible design allows it to be customized for many tasks, such as fighting piracy, coastal patrols, or urgent search and rescue operations. The Triton G810 comes with a solid hull and powerful engines, giving it reliable performance even in rough environments. It also features advanced navigation and communication systems that improve awareness and control during missions. These features make it a valuable tool for ensuring maritime security and mission success. With its mix of strength, technology, and adaptability, the Triton G810 sets a high standard for modern tactical patrol boats. Ultra Force. Imagine protecting your lawn with gadgets that don't just guard, it surprises. Meet Ultra Force, the clever little device that turns trespassing into a splash-filled wake-up call. These aren't the dangerous mines you're thinking of. Instead, they're harmless water traps that blast intruders with a sudden spray the moment they step too close. Covering a wide 2.5-meter radius, each unit ensures even the quickest trespasser gets caught in the action. It's quick, unexpected, and completely safe. The best part? There's no loud alarms, no harsh barriers, just water doing the talking. On their own, they make a fun yet effective deterrent. Paired with sprinklers or other water-based systems, they become a complete defense strategy that turns your yard into a no-go zone for unwanted guests. This isn't just about protection. It's about reclaiming your space in a way that's smart, harmless, and unforgettable. Because sometimes, the strongest message isn't a lock or a fence. It's water, delivered right when it counts.
Pro Interceptor. The Iguana Pro Interceptor is not your average boat. It's a high-speed amphibious craft that can travel at 50 knots on water and roll over land with its special treads. It can move across sand, rocks, mud, or grass. Designed in France over 12 years, it's used by the U.S. Navy and 25 other countries. It's built for rescue missions, security, and emergency work. This vehicle is strong, smart, and ready for any kind of terrain. With patented technology and powerful performance, it can be customized to suit specific needs. If you need a vehicle that rules both land and sea, this is it. And for a limited time, it's being offered at a special price of $1,999, making it an absolute steal for such an advanced machine.